Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This is about the power rule of the derivative. So this one we have 0.125 because we don't have 1.125 in here, so we need to divide both sides by this one. So this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for this one. So the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this one we calculate, and you got about 0.88889. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.